My name's Elliot Tong and I'm an apprentice plumber at Willerby Caravans. It's a great company, always improving, just constantly getting bigger and bigger as the years go by. I was welcomed from the get-go. It's like we're all one big family, but we all come together when it's at work because you've got to get on with each other. They always give me the best advice, they always try and make me feel the best that I can, they always push me. And I think that's what you need within a workplace. You need a strong team, strong unity. Willerby's a massive company, it's got a great reputation and you want to keep that great reputation, but it's not just that, you want to feel confident in what you're doing, you want to give the best quality you can, because if I was paying for something, you'd want it to the best of someone's ability, so I feel like everyone else should give their best of their ability. I feel like they believe in me, my managers, everyone around me believes in me, and that brings so much confidence to myself because I feel a better person. I feel like, well, if they believe in me, I must believe in myself.